Hey guys, this is Anthony at Horsepower Research, doing a little tech tip on a Friday for you. We had a pair of LS7 heads that came in to us yesterday for some repair work, mainly guides. You can see the factory guides here. Somebody's actually already been in this one, if you can see it. I've actually K-lined the exhaust, which isn't a bad deal, but we've got a little bit of wear. As you can see, we've got some of them that were close to 6,000ths on the exhaust. And you take a peek in there. That's got our proprietary guides by CHE in there, dedicated intake and exhaust. So that was going to be, thought was going to be an easy deal for us to do, but in the process, if you look over here, that's a seat missing, and there's some seats in there. Now, everybody talks about valve seats and different materials, but one thing you do need to have is press. And this one, in the process of putting guides in, the seats fell out. We don't really know the history of this head. Don't know if somebody else has put seats in this at one point in time, but if you look in the corners there, almost looks like there was some red Loctite in it at one point. Scary part, the worst one we saw, our seats measure 2.294 inches, and the worst counterbore was 2.293. That's 1/1000th of press to hold this guy in here, and that doesn't work. So it is getting new CHE seats in it as well with the proper press. As we talk about that, a lot of times if you end up with one that's having seats falling out, it's real easy to get. Brian likes to actually either cut them out or maybe he can weld them out and get them in one piece. One thing you don't want to do is what we found on this particular cylinder head, and what we saw originally. There's some pry marks on there, and I believe somebody used a crowbar to get them out. And on this side, you can even see it even more. That's a big no-no, because it damages the head, it damages the chamber. If you're going to do the work, do it correctly, and you won't end up with stuff like this. This one was actually bad enough. He's already cleaned this, but that was entirely glued into the cylinder head. So there wasn't really any idea of what kind of press was in this. Probably not even as good as this one. So we will get it fixed, get it taken care of. All of our new guides with vastly more support than the stock ones. Longer life, better seats, and it will be ready to race again. Thanks, guys.